All right, so today it's Monday, August 12th. This will be episode 24, I believe, of me documenting my journey to profitability trading ES futures. I didn't really post as much last week because I didn't take any good trades, and I'll just show you guys my week. I've literally took, this was my day on Wednesday. This is the only day I've traded in like almost 2 weeks. Yeah, so I've just been having a really tough time adjusting to the new volatility. And like this day, for example, was very volatile. And my mistake was risking, as you can see here, like less than 4 points, around 4 points. This one I risked 7 points. Oh, never mind. This one I risked 5 points ish. And then this one I risked around 4 points. But anyway, my plan for this volatility has been I want to increase the amount of points that I'm able to risk. So I'm sizing down to 2 contracts or 1 contract. I think I've actually only traded with 2 contracts, I believe, with all these. So with 2 contracts, I'll typically risk around 6 points. So it gives me a wider risk for this volatility. But as you can see, I didn't really follow through with that. On these trades, I risked around the same amount of points every time. And a lot of these trades, I get stopped out like very quickly. Like as you can see, this one is literally in 15 seconds. But yeah, basically, I've just been having a tough time adjusting to the new volatility because it's definitely a lot different than what I've been used to trading literally up until this point. But yeah, so my account, we lost 1,000. So now we're at 153,700. So that's where we're at. That's where I'm at with this whole journey. I'm still just trying to follow my plan, and I've been showing up every single day, and it's just like a lot of times my plan will play out like literally will be at my level in like the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and I don't like taking entries that early into the market open, but a lot of times they've worked out. So I think I'm just going to start taking trades if my level is there, if it's being tested, and the reaction is looking good, then I'm going to just take it, even if it's like 835, 837, whatever. So that's one thing I'm going to do moving forward. I'm still going to stick with 2 contracts because I don't know what's up with this volatility. Plus, like if you catch a good move, like you're going to get like an easy 20 points, which would be, let's just say for today, for example, here was my level. So like if I caught today, I probably would have got like a 30-point move, 2 contracts, that's like 3,000. So that's actually that would be more than a typical winner if I was trading 3 contracts. But yeah, to be honest, I've just had a hard time adjusting, and I would rather just not take trades than take a bunch of trades that stop out really quickly or whatever. So I think it's also a combination of me being a little more hesitant lately. And I've had multiple days where my key level touches, gets a reaction, and I could have taken an entry, but I didn't because I'm unsure. And I think that the last 2 weeks have been a mixture of me being not as confident in the entries, so I don't take them, and then they might work out, combined with the new volatility that I've just had a hard time adjusting to so far. Like I said, this is my first time seeing volatility increase like this. And it definitely, like the first day we saw it, definitely would just not trade that. But I can definitely say that I'm getting more used to seeing how it plays out on like Bookmap and just on charts, and like what I can be prepared for and what to expect. So I'm definitely getting more comfortable just with seeing it, but I think I've just been more hesitant with entries because I'm not trying to just throw things out there when I'm not confident enough to take it. But I think that's also a flaw that I'm dealing with right now. But I mean, at least it's not just me throwing on terrible entries over and over and over. So that's a good thing. And I mean, in the last 2 weeks, we've only traded 2 days, which is fine. It's just, I would rather honestly do that than lose my account doing dumb stuff. So there's that. But yeah, if you guys have had any trouble, or if you guys have had any issues adapting to the new conditions, let me know in the comments, because that's definitely how I feel. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for the update on my journey. I'm also trying to figure out how I can make content that's more valuable for you guys, because I'm sure that, I mean, I can tell you what my mistakes have been on these updates, but I want to make more valuable videos instead of just like me posting about how I'm doing trading. So I've been brainstorming that. I might honestly start live streaming my trading sessions and see how that goes. But the problem is my computer is, I'm just running off a MacBook Pro right now. So like even when I'm trading and screen recording my stuff, like this thing gets crazy hot and it makes like cracking noises and the fan is like on max speed. I just know this computer is, I need an upgrade for I need an upgrade for doing my, having all the trading software is open, also while screen recording. So I'm not sure if live streaming it could possibly be a solution, and then I would have the live stream as the screen recording. I don't know if that'd be better or worse, but I'm gonna figure that out. But yeah, if there's any style content you guys want me to make, maybe I could just do trade breakdowns instead of journal updates, or maybe I could do both, or maybe I could do like one journal update a week and then trade breakdowns. I don't know. If you guys have input, please let me know. But yeah, that's where we're at, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.